Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon number 11 format options for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. To make this icon appear, I have to select an object within my slide deck, such as a text box. Now, Format Options has generated. I can now click on Format Options in order to see the various choices available to me. The first option is size and rotation. When I click on size and rotation, I can adjust the width and height of a text box or object within my slide deck. I can also adjust it by the scales that are available as well. I can also adjust the angle of an object by flipping it and rotating it. When I rotate it, I can change the way it is laid out on the slide deck. For this tutorial, I'm going to show what it looks like when I flip an object vertically, since it is clearer to see what the changes will be. So as can be seen, size and rotation can be used to create unique visuals on a slide. Underneath size and rotation is position. When I select position, I can adjust my x-axis and my y-axis of the object. I can also do so simply by moving it on the screen, as can be seen. Below position is text fitting. In this section, I can adjust the indentation of the text within an object to make it further to the left or further to the right, depending on what I prefer. I can also add in special indentation, such as first line or hanging. And I can even adjust the padding within a text box. What this means is I can make a greater amount of padding within a text box so that the text has more space surrounding it rather than being right up against the borders of a text box. It just depends on what your preferences are. Below text fitting is drop shadow. When I click on drop shadow, it automatically will generate this unique visual effect. In order to adjust it, I need to click on this arrow here. I can adjust the transparency of a drop shadow effect, as can be seen by adjusting the slider. I can also adjust the angle, which will make the drop shadow effect change, as well as the distance. So as can be seen, drop shadow can be used to create a very unique effect wherein the text looks like it has a notable shadow behind it. The last option is reflection, and I've left my drop shadow effect on so that the reflection is more noticeable. When I click on reflection, if I move down with my text box, we can see that it has generated a unique reflection of the text. I can adjust this reflection by changing the transparency to make it more noticeable or less, by adjusting the distance so it's farther apart, and even adjusting the size of the reflection itself. So, as can be seen from format options, it allows an individual to create even more unique visuals within a Google slide. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.